Identify the battery, locate the current battery in your vehicle. It's usually found under the hood, either on one side or the other, often near the front of the engine compartment. Disconnect the negative terminal. 8. Using a wrench or socket set, loosen and remove the nut or bolt that holds the negative, black, terminal clamp in place. B. Carefully wiggle and pull the negative terminal clamp off the battery terminal. Make sure it doesn't touch any metal parts of the vehicle. Disconnect the positive terminal. 8. In the same manner as the negative terminal. Loosen and remove the nut or bolt holding the positive, red, terminal clamp. B. Remove the positive terminal clamp from the battery terminal. Remove the battery. Depending on your vehicle, the battery may be held in place with a battery hold-down clamp or bracket. If so, remove the fastener securing it and carefully lift the battery out of its tray. If there's no hold-down clamp, simply lift the battery out. Install the new battery. Place the new battery in the same orientation as the old one, ensuring it's seated securely in the battery tray. If your vehicle has a hold-down clamp or bracket, reattach it. Connect the positive terminal. Slide the positive terminal clamp onto the positive battery terminal, then tighten the nut or bolt securely. Connect the negative terminal. Slide the negative terminal clamp onto the negative battery terminal. Then tighten the nut or bolt securely. Double-check connections. Ensure both terminals are securely attached to the battery. They should not move when wiggled. Apply terminal protector. Optional, you can spray a battery terminal protector on the terminals to prevent future corrosion. Test the vehicle. Start the vehicle to ensure it starts properly and that all electrical systems are functioning correctly.